critique a couple of images. So this first shot here is a very beautiful shot. The light is gorgeous. It feels nice. The author has used the fence line to create a really nice leading line, so your eye goes straight to the horse and owner. We've got a really nice connection between the horse and owner. The owner looks happy, the horse looks great. So actually it's a really, really nice image, but there are areas that could be improved. Now, one of these being the bright area to the top right hand corner. My eye is being drawn there because it is much brighter than the horse's head. So you can see, if you look at the horse's head and then you look to the top right corner, you can see the difference in light. So I would bring that top section down and the horse's face lighter, very slightly lighter. But also after that top right hand section where it's very bright, I would then also bring down the horse's tummy and hind quarters, because that is also quite bright where the sun is falling on it. The other improvement that could be made is in the reins. So at the minute, although they're wrapped in a circle, which is generally the neatest way to do them, they actually look quite scruffy. So if the owner was to take the reins, put them together, straighten them out, and then just double them over once, it could look less distracting. So that's this image, but overall a really nice, well composed, well exposed image. With those couple of tweaks, I think this would go up another level. So the next image here, again, is a really, really nice shot, and we've got really nice, a really nice colour palette throughout the image. Now, horse and owner look really happy, really connected. The owner looks, she's got a nice smiley face on her. She's in a comfortable pose. The horse is coming down into her lap, and they've got a nice connection there. We've got a brick wall behind, and if you didn't see the image, you'd think, oh, photographing on a brick wall doesn't sound the most attractive, but actually this brick wall is full of sort of greens and oranges and nice muted tones, a few white tones there, and actually it's very beautiful. However, I would have encouraged the owner and the horse to come further away from the wall and to use that more out of focus, so that we didn't have that harsh line on the left hand side at the bottom of the wall and the back of the wall. So if the author had brought the horse and owner forward, let's say by a couple of meters, that brick wall would have gone more out of focus. I do, however, really enjoy the yellow leaves that are scattered on the floor and the combination with the green moss that is underneath the owner's feet. So actually it's well composed, and the most important thing is that the horse and owner are connected and they look happy and they look really, really nice together. So overall a really nice image. Okay, so we've got this third image here, and again, a really beautiful shot of the owner and the horse. We've got a nice prop, so the author has used a oldie-woldy country fence or gateway to lean the horse and the owner over the gate, which is really nice because that breaks up the image and gives the owner something to lean on, which sort of will make the owner feel more comfortable about being in the photograph because they have something between you and the camera. There is, though, improvements to be made in this image, and the most obvious one is the background and how blown in terms of highlights it is. So there's very, very bright areas behind the horse and owner, and this really needs to be brought down either in post-production or when it's shot initially. So if it looks like it's a tree trunk that is completely blown, if it is completely blown, then that won't be able to be saved in post-production. However, if it's shot and there is detail in it, you may well be able to save it in post-production. So again, this horse, he's got a dark face, the eye could do with lifting a bit. I don't tend to just do the eye, but I would do the whole face. You can see he's got this gorgeous orangey tones in his muzzle, and that will all come out really nicely with a little bit of extra contrast. And again, on the gate, all that moss, if there's just a little bit more effort put into the editing there, that would all stand out really nicely. So overall, a very nice shot. Horse and owner look gorgeous. They're well connected, nice and relaxed, and yeah, I think it's a beautiful shot.